The IPFT expanded its organizational footprints in the East Teliamura region on Tuesday. During a joining program, 17 voters representing 4 families from Krishnamani village officially switched their allegiance to the IPFT. The joining took place under the leadership of Ranjit Reang. The new inductees were greeted with party flags and traditional reception by the IPFT East Teliamura Division Committee. Speaking on the occasion, party leaders stated that the joining of this family reflects the growing trust of the party's ideology and leadership.
Krishnamani parani je 4 family Ranjit Reang ni netritwe 4 family 17 voter Chini IPFT Tripura choban hamjagui tai tini sungo je Tripura chobano je unko buskang dino chobani logirinan bagai borok tini 17 voter IPFT join khata tai tini Chini East Teliamura division পক্ষ থেকে তিনি বড় নসুন লামসুন হাকা
Report to be Biplav from Khorang, Chini, Khorang.